So some exciting jobs for today is to get the glue off the dash. This was covered in a green pleatherette, green pleather, as in fake leather, and they were stuck on with glue. So underneath the dash was pretty good still, and John's working on the top dash there. What do you say, John?
John's working very hard today. He's back.
Oh, you're back on the tools. Back on the tools. What tool are you using today?
I'm using a wee brush.
A wee
brush.
A wee brush
today. I
today.
can't be trusted with a big one, you see.
No, you grow up to big ones, didn't you?
It's glad to be back.
Aye.
It's glad to be back in familiar surroundings.
So I'm no chucked anywhere, is that what you're saying?
No, but I've got something to say to you later.
Oh, what's that then?
Well, apparently you've been asking people to be your pals when I'm away.
But I'm allowed to have more than one pal.
Eh?
I'm allowed to have more than one pal.
Why would you want that out?
Well, it's just the way it is, mate.
Well,
Like,
I can see where you're coming from. I'll let you off with that one.
have you got more than one pal?
No.
I'm just your
Well,
pal.
I've got another pal.
Who's
I'm
that?
not telling you
Who is it?
I'm not telling you.
Should I be jealous?
Eh?
Should I be jealous?
No.
No, right.
No,
So
you
anyway,
shouldn't be
get on with the job.
Go on the job. You go on with your job. Go and do something else. Give me peace.
Oh, hello, John. As you can see, no engine put in at the weekend. That'll be done on the next build now, which the guy who was going to put the engines in just couldn't turn up this weekend because of his own work commitments. He was just too busy. And but it was a bit of a godsend in a way, because we've got a lot of other stuff done that we probably would have put off. So what we've been up to today, again, so we've been back on soundproofing again today. We've just started the front of the Defender here, but we've run out of soundproofing, so we can't complete it.
Don't run out of soundproofing.
As you can see, we have got the floors out now. We did a little weld at the weekend over there. Mac McIntosh did. He did a weld over the back there. We've sprayed up the front with primer, ready for the red lead to go on. John has been doing this. John, what are you going to say to your fans today, mate?
It's good to be back.
It's good to be
Wait, it's good to be back.
It's good to be back. Where have you been?
I've been on a mission the past couple of days. I've been sent on a mission, you know.
What was that
and
then?
I come back and this place is an absolute chaos. Absolute chaos.
You said
there's not been much work's done.
You said it was a trial separation, though, didn't you?
Aye, but it didn't work, did it?
It didn't work, though.
No, because apparently on Saturday you were asking people to be your pals, and it didn't work then. So you invited me back.
No,
I think you find you'll invite me back.
No, I don't think that's what.
To clear up the mess that you've been doing Monday and Tuesday.
What would I do Monday and Tuesday?
Well, apparently nothing, because there's nothing.
Oh, you were working with me Monday and Tuesday.
No, I was away. I had meetings to go to.
No, you weren't. Oh,
Monday.
well, you had a couple of meetings,
Aye, well,
but I was waiting for
today.
some of them. Anyway.
Would you mind getting on? Because I'm trying to get on with the work.
He's not been doing much, to be honest. But anyway, what have we been doing? So, as you can see, we've been cleaning up a bit of the front and spray painting up. So there's no point putting a new engine and all the other bits, and auxiliaries are all crap. So we've de-rusted these, primed them and painted them. So they're all been painted black. As I said, soundproofing is done. Duncan's now measuring up for we're going to be boarding the front and the back of this Defender. So this is the first one we're going to be doing. Also Monday we met with a fabricator who's hopefully going to fabricate this part here. If not, we'll be doing it ourselves. So we're just waiting to hear back from that and where we are. But this will be, once this is done, we can fully board this out and get it prepared for well, we're going to start building the boxes. That's going to start next week. We're going to order the wood. Duncan's measuring up, and Duncan over there, he's measuring up, and we're going to start on the interior of this vehicle. And the red one you can just see behind, because that's going to be the first vehicle that's going to be ready, we think. There's not much to do in that vehicle now, apart from put the interiors in. The welding was all completed at the weekend, apart from 2 welds in the outside of the wheel arch.
Just a matter of getting peace and quiet, getting on with it, eh?
But
this top bit, take it out until we get the plywood in over there.
anyway, that's for another day.
Aye.
The other things we're doing is around the back here. All the kind of thankless jobs that they do that John's just watching because he's apparently he's no into cleaning. And we're cleaning up the front light grills, using road film material like to get it off, all the things, and clearing up all the ancillaries ready to go back into the vehicle. So that's where we are. As you can see, Duncan seam sealed all of the inside. I'll just give you a quick look at that through the side door here. So we've put a bit of soundproofing in here, and Duncan seam sealed all these welds for the boot lid that went in at the weekend. As you can see, all round the sides there. There was a lot of welding to do in this vehicle that the welders did at the weekend. So this is almost ready. Like I said before, just 2 welds to do, which means we can't really finish doing all the painting and all that in here. But we'll get on with that ASAP as soon as the welds are done. I think the next build's in about 2 weeks' time, so they'll be done then, and then we can complete this vehicle. It's just the engine, exhaust, and all the interior to put in. Let's go and talk to John. All right, John.
I'm not bad. I'm not bad.
Oh, what have you been up to today then?
Well, you see, we actually finished all this soundproofing off.
Oh, aye.
And the front, see, it looks quite nice.
Did you do that all yourself?
Well, I had a bit of hindrance, not help, hindrance.
Where did the hindrance come from then?
Well, I'm not mentioning any names, but he thinks he runs a charity, but never mind.
All right.
That's not for me to say.
All right, aye.
But this week actually, I've been operational.
Oh, you've been operational and I've been directional.
No, you've been directional.
That's what I said. I said that.
Is that what you think? Is that what you think? You've been directional.
Is that your receipt there?
Yeah, you couldn't even direct the go-kart track.
That's your receipt, so...
You couldn't even direct the go-kart from the track.
Right, so that's what you've done. So there you go, that's all. We've still got to do the front end here, I may add. And the reason we've not done that is
I've
because...
been operational, not decorational.
Yeah, you're overplaying your part here, by the way.
And
so,
sweating, though.
there's a wee weld today doing the bottom here, which we never quite finished the last time, which is the reason why we kind of do the front end here. But that'll be done next week, and the floor. We're not sure of the covering we're going to put on the floor, so if anybody's got any suggestions on the floor, obviously we don't want carpet, so that's where we are. So John, before you go away, I've got a wee surprise for you. Right, I've been playing with... No, a wee surprise, No, it's a good surprise, because this week you've been complaining. This week you've been complaining about the cold.
That'll make a change, won't it?
You've been complaining about the cold a lot this week. So
you gave me a surprise.
as somebody that's looking after you here, like and looking after your needs, I do listen to all you say and all the complaints about being cold and no working under these conditions. So
what do you mean?
luckily at Veterans in Action we've got a great sponsor.
What do you me complaining?
Well, all the time. I think that your fans will be able to tell you that.
You're wrong there.
So luckily, we've got a fantastic sponsor on Regatta who gives all our Regatta.
Is that the same people that are up at
they gives all our clothing for.
Is that the same people that's up at Henley?
No. Regatta's based in Manchester, and they've been a great sponsor for Veterans in Action. And I gave them your sizes and told them about you and all that, and I'll just take you in. I'll show the punters first. I'll show the punters first. Right, see, that's what we got from there, a wee jacket. So we got it to a special size to fit you, and there you go, mate.
Oh, now you're extracting the urine.
That's from Regatta, a wee jacket for you.
That's all right, isn't it? Right.
So there you go.
Right,
that's
better than a pay packet.
That's a wee jacket for you for Regatta. They took pity on you. I gave them your exact measurements, and there you go. That's what they come up with. There's nothing in the pockets for it. There's no money in the pockets. It's not like a wallet. There's a stone there. You can have that stone.
That's a wee bit of that funny stuff, isn't
It's a special stone, that. And there you go. That's a wee jacket just for you.
I must appreciate
and we'll call that an expedition jacket.
This is the expedition
John's special jacket.
Can I get my name on the back of it?
Well, we could do that. We could logo it up for you.
Is there enough room to get John on there?
Well, you probably had that problem before.
It's very kind of you. I'm
overwhelmed is the word you're looking for.
I'm overwhelmed, but I'm heartbroken,
How's
the
that?
jacket I've got.
Well, we're looking after you here, mate.
You're looking after
We're looking after you.
If you're looking after me,
Aye,
how come you don't get my knee pads?
Well,
See them?
I can see your knee
you see
pads.
them? They're dirty.
They're kind of old knees, aren't they?
They're dirty, and that's me climbing out of that Land Rover there.
Aye.
Working at heights.
You're not going to try your jacket on?
No. I'm not trying it on. I'm not trying it on just yet.
How no?
Because my hair's not right.
Are you saving it for? Are you saving it for when you
try
get
it
an
on.
expedition?
I'll try it on, right? I'll try
Right.
it
Okay.
on.
You try it on.
Here we go, right? I'll try this.
It might be a loose fit.
Oh, see.
See.
That's not bad, is it? Not bad on that
It's
side,
a bit
is
of a loose fit.
it?
Try it on the other side.
No, I'll not get it on the other side.
No, try it on the other
No,
side.
I'll tell you what I'll do, right?
No, try it
I'll
on the
tell you
other
what I'll do,
side.
right? I'll tell you what I'll do. Right?
All right.
I'll tell you what I'll do. At least my hair will not get wet.
Aye. See, perfect fit, I think.
Perfect fit.
Well, thank you very much, Regatta, for all your
you're
support.
welcome. You're welcome.
You've helped us in many an expedition, and now you've helped John out, who's been suffering with a cold this week.
Size 10 it says.
Size 10, aye. Size 10.
Size
That's your age. Ain't you going to say to your fans before I
Well,
go?
it's glad to be back.
Oh, you glad? Are you back on the tools
I'm
today?
back on the tools.
What tools have you been using?
Until about 2 o'clock, then I've got to shoot off for another meeting.
Oh, an hour's meeting. Like, it's an important meeting.
What?
It's an important meeting. Don't big yourself up.
It's a very important meeting.
Oh, is it? Is it?
Aye, very important. I can't tell you.
Well, I
I'm
know
not saying
about it.
anything until I spoke to my
I
solicitor.
know about your meeting.
I'm not saying anything until I spoke to my solicitor. End of story, okay?
But is this for the trial separation is going to come final?
It might be.
So
If you don't,
it's,
if you don't
it's
buck your
just
ideas up.
so it's just separation.
If you
Is that what
don't
you're
buck
saying?
your ideas up, that's what
All
I'm
right,
saying.
okay.
Aye,
Right, so that's where we are now. It looks like it's a full separation.
It could be.
I think he's sacked. So there you
Sacked?
go. Sacked. Aye.
You certainly know how to lad. I'm not talking to you.
Say hello to your fans anyway.
Aye, hello fans. But I'm not talking to you.
All right. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on Facebook and on Twitter at VIA Charity.